Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is yet again another hair review video. If I'm posting these in order, this should be the third one and the last one for right now. I'm very excited about this one because I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone. Like, I've never had a wig like this, like a wig that's basically like got 613 in it. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys this. Right now I'm just plucking. I followed, I think her name is Paris Danielle, something like that. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube, but she does like pluck, 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 skip, pluck, 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 skip. So I was just doing that throughout the hair. I parted it about 3 or 4 times and then just repeated that pluck, 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 skip, pluck, 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 skip method. And after I got done plucking, I went in with my hot comb, laid everything down. I also used the foam wrapping like mousse, and I also used what did I use? The like edge control wax stick to make all the flyaways lay down and everything like that.
Never made it for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
So if you watched any of my previous wig reviews, the recent ones or the old ones, you guys know that I like to put the wig on after I get done customizing it, make sure it fits, and then I kind of get to seeing how I want to style the hair. Like I said, this wig was most definitely out of my comfort zone. Like, I've never had a skunk stripe this light. I always do like a medium, kind of like brown or blonde. So I was kind of like, do I want to do half up, half down? Do I want to do, left side part, right side part? Because it had already came with the pre-made part. But I normally don't wear my part on the, I think it's left side. So I was struggling. I'm not going to lie, I was struggling. But it all turned out to be pretty cute at the end. So stay tuned for that. You guys know I don't like to keep my wigs on for long. So I just use the Got to Be Glued Free spray instead of the actual glue. But the spray does get messy, I will say that. But other than that, it's fine. I literally had it on for a couple hours. And then I took it off easily with just soap and water and a little bit of witch hazel like toner is what I use to take it off with.
Come through and chill, just say you will, come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you.
the finished look. I will say at first I was scared when I pulled it out the package. I hope I recorded that because I kind of recorded this whole video with different SD cards, but when I pulled it out the pack, it already came curled and it just looked a mess. But it is from West Kiss Hair. This is their packaging. Let me turn down my ring light. There we go. This is their packaging. It's still the same. I ordered from them like with my own money like a few years ago, and they still got the same packaging. So yeah, anyways, they gave a cute pair of lashes. It says West Kiss right there. This one comes with your own edge brush. They also give one of those little satin wraps to tie down your edges. This says West Kiss. So they give two little satin, yeah. So they give two little satin, almost like a scarf thing to tie down your edges, and your lace. That's exactly what this one is too. And then they give an elastic band. I didn't use this elastic band because the wig is pretty snug on me, so I didn't feel like I needed it. They also gave wig cap, and then they gave a cute little cute little baggie to put your wig in when you're all done. I love when companies send this bag. It is literally so useful and so helpful, and I literally do utilize all my bags. I put the wigs back in these bags. So the hair that I have in is a 22-inch 13x4 lace front wig. It is 180% density, and you can tell because she's thick, like super cute. I have they call it the skunk stripe. I like, at first, let me say, I didn't like this one at first because I don't ever part my hair on the left side. I always part my hair on the right side, or I do a middle part. So at first I was like, I'm not really feeling it. I don't really like it, but it grew on me. It looks better. I was wearing a brown shirt, but I had to put on a black shirt because the brown was just throwing everything off. But as you can see, I just used the Gots to Be Glued freeze spray, and it literally is holding it up perfectly. I did put in some wand curls because the hair did already come curled, but I was literally brushing it out like crazy. The only thing that I have to say about this hair is when I was just brushing the curls out, like I didn't start plucking, I didn't start doing anything to the hair, it did started to shed. Not a lot, just raking your fingers through it, it was shedding a little bit, probably because it was curled, like curly hair. Now we're cool. If I do this, I've been plucking on that side, so I got the blonde strands right here, but just doing this throughout the whole wig, I'm not getting anything. So I guess at first when you try to rake through, it's going to shed just a little bit, but now it's all good. It looks good. It's bouncy. It's flowy. Shipping took like 3 to 4 days. It came, I think it came FedEx, so didn't have to wait on DHL or anything. I hate when companies ship with DHL because I would have to sign for it, and I'm usually never at home to be able to sign for it. So I'm really loving that it came FedEx. The hair is just super cute, so I just wanted to get on, show you guys how the hair looks, how I styled it. Like I said, this is a 13x4, so as you can see in the video, I was kind of doing like this because I was gonna put it in a ponytail, but the way the stripe is, it just wasn't going to work. It wasn't going to look right to me, and I wanted to flip it over, but since the skunk stripe is on this side, it wasn't going to work. But I ended up really liking it. It's really cute. Tell me what you guys think down below. This is definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. I've never did a bright stripe like this, so yeah. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and until my next video, I will see you lovelies then. Bye guys.